Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials so nothing blocks Apple ID communication. Make sure your iPhone or iPad uses automatic date and time. Incorrect time breaks TLS with Apple. Next, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi or cellular network and test by loading a web page. Once done, perform a quick restart of the device and, if needed, the router to clear transient networking bugs. These first actions often resolve the handshake failure and let you continue to sign in. Now you focus on authentication and deeper network factors. Sign out of iCloud in settings and sign back in to refresh tokens. This forces a new server handshake. If that fails, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to reset radios, then reconnect. This clears sticky cellular or Wi-Fi states. Also inspect VPN, proxy, or firewall apps that can block Apple servers. Disable them temporarily, because they can intercept secure connections and cause the communication error. Finish by applying advanced fixes when the issue persists. Update iOS to the latest release because Apple periodically patches account and network bugs. Restart afterward so updates take effect. If you still see the error, reset network settings to clear corrupted profiles and saved networks. This preserves your data, but removes Wi-Fi passwords. If nothing works, gather error messages and contact Apple support. Key tip: try another Apple ID or device, briefly, to isolate whether the problem is account versus device related.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.